That's very exciting to them. But the amount of tax they have to pay, they decide, you know what, I'm just going to sit put.
California, right? If it's a primary home, you're looking at least, 13.3%. Plus you have the federal of 20%. So you're about 33. And that's just on the minimum of the gain, right? So on this scenario, we're taking 13 million minus 1 million. That'd be a $12 million gain. And let's take, 33% of that. Okay. 33% of that. So, what's at stake here is about $4 million, $3.96 million. So first thing, Julia, do you find that this is an objection for people? They say, hey, I want to sell, Julia, but I don't want to do a 1031 exchange. It's a primary home, or even if it was an investment property, they don't necessarily want to have to go buy another property. Just talk about some of those frustrations you've seen with your clients over the years.
So this is typically elderly people, and I can talk to them about the benefits of Prop 6090, where they can take their property tax basis with them wherever they go, in reciprocating counties, which was expanded a year or 2 years ago. So now they can go to places like Montecito. They didn't used to be able to go there. That's very exciting to them, but the amount of tax they have to pay, they decide, you know what, I'm just going to sit put. So I want to, understand how this can be more of a vehicle for them to sell, because that is what I do, sell.
Exactly. So that is what we're trying to solve for, right? And at the end of the day, I like to say we're not necessarily here to sell real estate, although we do, and help people with tax deferral, but really here to solve problems. If you think about it, it's like a Rubik's Cube. And the problem is there's $3.96 million in tax if you sell without having a tax deferral strategy. So how do we, create something that's going to give them not only tax deferral, but also maybe some liquidity, some diversification. And a lot of these clients too, they want to just retire, Julia, right? They don't necessarily need or want all of the capital at once, although they want some cash flow. A lot of these properties, they're really, real estate rich, maybe cash flow poorer, if you will. And so to be able to unlock this capital and put it into cash flowing, producing assets can actually really change their retirement and their ability to live a different lifestyle they want to live.